Okay, welcome back to Perdido Key Gaming. Yesterday we had some Phyrexia All Will Be One. Now we have some Dominaria United. Art card on top. Planes, your commons, Timely Interference, Automatic Librarian, the Tolarian Terror, yikes. Connoisseur for an uncommon, the Codex Cut Down, very handy card. Aaron, Tatiova, and Cosmic Epiphany, Weatherlight completed, and Take Up the Shield, along with an insect token. That's all that's in this pack. All right, let's take a look, shall we? Token, planes. The art card is Denetha Benalia's Hope. Cut down, I believe that's a buck, right? Destroy target creature with total power and toughness 5 or less. I think it's cut down. There's the other black removal. The Codex is an artifact, domain 5, draw a card. This ability costs 1 less to activate for each basic land types you control. So probably, 2 color, 3 color, you're still paying a couple of mana. Flying Vampire, whenever 1 or more creatures die, put a +1/+1 counter on them. Only triggers once. The Terror, of course, 7-drop, 5/5. If you got a bunch of instant sorcery cards in your graveyard, costs 1 less. Ward 2. Ward, weren't you a little hard on the beaver last night? Librarian, Construct, 3/2. Enters battlefield, scry 2. For your librarian things. And of course, this is actually blue-red, kicker for 1 and a red. Target creature gets -1/-0. If it was kicked, that creature blocks this turn if able. Take up the shield for the foily instant. Put a +1/+1 counter on target creature, gains lifelink and indestructible. Very handy. And of course, the Showcase Tatiova, Merfolk, Druid, land creatures you control have flying. So it's not creatures that are not flying, it is land creatures. So be careful, because your Tolarian Terror ain't going to be flying. So whenever land enters the battlefield, if you control 7 or more lands, up to 1 target land you control becomes a 3/3 elemental creature with haste. It's still a land, so it goes flying. And Aaron here has Menace, 3/3, 1 white and 1 black. Sacrifice another creature, put a +1/+1 counter on each creature you control. And I don't think Weatherlight completed, Mythic, went anywhere. Legendary artifact vehicle, as long as it has 4 or more fire resist counters. If it's a Phyrexian creature, whenever a creature you control dies, put a fire resist counter on the completed. Then draw a card if it has 7 or more counters. If it doesn't, scry 1. So just basically a 5/5s that you got for 2. Not too bad. And the Epiphany, cast for 6. It's a sorcery. Draw cards equal to the number of instant sorcery cards in your graveyard. Might empty your library quite quickly as blue, right? Anyway, that's all I've got for today. We'll see you tomorrow for some more Perdido Key Gaming.